Hello YouTube, welcome to another unboxing experience review with me, Oz, and Lucy, the little bunny. Lucy, you want to do the unboxing? She would love to do the unboxing. Today we are taking a look at the Razer Blackwidow Elite mechanical gaming keyboard. Razer. So, first thing to note is that you can already use part of the keyboard already from the box because there's a hole in it. So if all you care about is the arrow keys, then you don't really even have to use, you don't have to buy, you can just clickety click. Anyway, we shall get down to business by trying to open a Blackwidow Elite. I hope it doesn't bite, because, you know, if you get bit by a Blackwidow, then that could be potentially fatal and lethal and all of that stuff. I think it's time for the trusty scissors, which you should of course be careful and not run with. Okay, maybe scissors wasn't the best option. I should have used a knife, but hindsight is 50-50. So we do this without damaging the box. But of course we can't say that we're gonna not damage the box and then the box gets damaged, but that is okay. I have said in numerous videos that I really despise when they use tape, but they keep doing it. I mean, I'm not sponsored or anything, they don't send me this stuff, but I think that I have a big enough channel. I have like 230 subscribers or something. They should definitely have noticed me by now and stopped using tape. Okay, so
Can you maybe put those scissors somewhere else?
The scissors are dangerous. Do we have a knife maybe? I have a knife. But you gotta be careful with the knife around the bunny, because otherwise you're gonna have a bad time. A bad bunny time. Okay. So as you can see, scissors not proper, knife proper, because now
Ow, boy.
Lucy agrees. Should we open the box, Lucy? Yeah. Let's open the box. And the bunny goes bye-bye. Alright, so you open the box up, and here on the inside we have, is that a CD with drivers or something? No, it is for gamers by gamers.
Can you give me that?
I doubt that, but okay. So it's some kind of thank you, welcome, whatever, thank you for giving us your money type of card. And then we have here another clever way to not let me into the box. You can, if you can film me here for 2 seconds. Here we have this little insert or whatever. Yeah, it was there, by the way. So you remove that, and then here is another insert type thing, maybe. I hate these things. God, they are so tedious. This is so stupid. Why can't they make... There we go. Alright. Alright. Oh, I thought. But nay. Yes. Actually, yes. Here we have the star of the show, the actual little keyboard, and there is nothing else in the box. The box is all empty, and here we have the protective pads on the side, which have sort of are these nice, Lucy? Look. Lucy says they're nice. Alright, so remove that. It's padding protection. Lucy, yeah. You know? Yeah. Is it a nice box? And here we have this hand cover stand type handrest, armrest, which I'm not even gonna bother getting out of the box because that's the authentic experience.
Speaking of getting out of the box,
we're just trying to give you the authentic experience here. Actually, if I'm gonna give you the authentic experience, I might as well open this up because that's probably what you would do. And as you can see, this thing here looks like a condom for horses or something. It's rather nice. Thin for extra glide and protection. And here is the handrest, which has this leathery, shiny, reflective surface on it. As you can see, if I angle it around here, it's very angly. You can angle it. And all right. Lucy says it's time to get to the keyboard now. She's getting impatient here. So, without further ado, I shall get to the keyboard. Here we have this very reflective plastic piece. I don't think you can actually see. It's very reflective. Oh my goodness. I'm so pretty, says Lucy, because I can see myself in this mirror-like finish and surface. So, vain bunnies approve. Alright. And here, you have the keyboard, which comes... It's heavy. I think it's metal, this part here. And then it has a braided cable for bunny teeth protection. And then you just sort of... You can sit here, and you can... You can do your typing. I think Lucy is so very nice. Nice bunny. Okay, now for the part where we figure out if all the keys work. Because that's totally what you would do if you open the box. That one works. That one works. That one works. Okay, actually, yeah, I'm going to give you the full account of what each key sounds like. So bear with me here. Oops, hit that one twice. That was it. Then you have power buttons over here, media. And what's really nice about this keyboard also is that it's not 10 keyless, because that's stupid. Alright, they sound the same here. They sound the same, but the space key has a darker, more bassy. You can actually play the drums here. Alright. And here's the back. Did I mention that it has the braided cable? What is all this? It has braided cable, like 2 USB things, and then audio. You can have audio pass through this thing. The fuck? Oh, cool. So I think, like, what is all this stuff? It says, oh, I get it. It's Black Widow. It has so many legs because it's a spider, but there should be a bit more then. It's like, what even is this? Is this even a keyboard? Like, it's built like a tank, and it has... It's a USB thing, and there's another USB thing, and there's a... I give up. I don't understand. To summarize, though, the experience here with cats, I would give this 5 apples out of 6 bananas, whichever you prefer, because aside from the parts that were annoying, such as the tape and the little inlets or inserts or whatever, because that's totally annoying. I don't like that stuff. But other than that, it was straightforward, easy to unbox. But I don't really understand, like, all of the keys sound sort of the same, they look the same, except we have different stuff printed on them. And then the parts where, like, you look at this thing, what even is this? This doesn't belong in a keyboard. It's so many different. It's one cable, but it comes in different. Oh, and look, there's a rubber thingy here to do stuff. Like if you wanna.
Shouldn't do stuff without a rubber.
Or no, don't do stuff without a rubber, unless you're married. But if you're married to a keyboard, then that's kind of strange. But yeah, what did I say? 5 peaches out of the 7 apricots. So yeah, that would be the unboxing experience review for this Razer Blackwidow Elite. Yeah. So that's it. I hope you think that all of the quadrupeds in the house are cute, because really that's what that is. But yeah, I also make 8-bit music if you're into that sort of thing. Percy totally digs it. He listens to it all the time, and I think that you should too. Like, comment, subscribe, share, tell your friends, and keep watching. And I will see you in your next, in my next video. Bye bye.